The resurrection continues the N.J. Dawood translation. This is another chapter in particular that you got to hear it in Arabic. In the name of Allah, the compassionate, the merciful, I swear by the day of resurrection and by the self-reproaching soul. Does man think we shall never put his bones together again? Indeed, we can remold his very fingers. Yet man would ever deny what is to come. When will this be? He asks. The day of resurrection, but when the sight of mortals is confounded and the moon eclipsed, when the sun and moon are brought together, on that day man will ask, whither shall I flee? No, there shall be no refuge, for to your Lord on that day all shall return. Man shall on that day be told of all his deeds from first to last. Indeed, man shall bear witness against himself, lead as he may with his excuses. You need not move your tongue too fast to learn this revelation. We ourselves shall see to its collection and recital when we read it. Follow its words attentively. We shall ourselves explain its meaning. Yet you love this fleeting life and are heedless of the hereafter. On that day there shall be joyous faces looking towards their Lord. On that day there shall be mournful faces dreading some great affliction. But when a man's soul is about to leave him, and those around him cry, will no one save him? When he knows it is the final parting, and the pangs of death assail him, on that day to your Lord he shall be driven, for in this life he neither believed nor prayed. He denied the truth, and turning his back, went to his kinsfolk, elated with pride. Well have you deserved this doom? Well have you deserved it? Well have you deserved this doom too? Well have you deserved it? Does man think he will be left alone? To no purpose? Was he not a drop of ejaculated semen? He became a clot of blood. Then Allah formed and molded him, and gave him male and female parts. He has no power then to raise the dead to life. Now, remember, we're using gender neutrals and stuff here, but you do see these descriptions of the embryo and stuff making sense, because you see it looks like just a little bloody lump, and then you get a lump, but male and female, do you have a Y or not? That's it. Even if you have extra chromosomes, it's if you have a Y or not. People need to stop pretending like there's this third gender, let alone in Afghanistan, there was 130 that they wanted to push on everybody. In California, they were trying to teach school children 78 non-physical genders. It's like, okay, you like mermaids or fairies or something more, or, I don't know how it breaks down. There's some stuff like that amidst it, right? But be careful. Just practice and believe. Don't focus too much on the memorization, because it will come when it comes.